So I found an issue with Remarkable and the changing in layers. I'll show you. So this is my base document. When you are, for instance, writing on layer 1, I want to add some other layer. Add layer 2. Now I want layer 2 to be underneath this one. So you change it. Now layer 2 is here, so if I do this, wait. So if I take like gray, I will do this. And I go to my layers. I do like this, skip it back. Now I see that this layer is in front of the other one. Now the trick is, I want to write on this layer. So I'm working between two documents. I'm writing my notes. I want to go back to the other document, read my document. I want to know something. I go back. I go to this document. Now when I start writing, and you check here, the layer is reverted back to layer 2. While I was writing on layer 1, it automatically changes always to the layer above of the template, which is super annoying because when you're writing and you think you're writing in your normal color and then you want to shade something, all of a sudden you see that half of your text is on your grayscale layer. So in note-taking, this is a super annoying problem. Another thing I find a problem is that you can only select one pen. So if I select this pen and I'm writing, and sometimes I want to add another pen, then I have to first click, I have to select, I have to write, I want to go back to the other one, I have to click again, I have to click again, I have to change the color again. It's too many steps. It would be so convenient to have like one or two of these icons here, so I can quickly skip between two pens I use, or one pen and two different grayscales. It's just some things that I noticed that are quite annoying when using this thing for note-taking. For writing and stuff, I think it's a super fluent. It works really well. Another thing I noticed that this pencil now, honestly, for sketching, it doesn't work because the pressure, it just really, there's almost nothing now. And then if I draw a line, the whole piece here, it doesn't register. It only picks up in a little bit more pressure. So if I want to do some quick things like it doesn't work. I need to put more pressure, but then it's really not handy to make like lines because it just doesn't work that well. I would have to go back and forth. So if I want to just quickly draw something and do it like this, I always get the end part to be more saturated than the front part. It just doesn't work so well. If I push really harder, then the line is fine, but there's this beginning and end thing that I just don't like. I want to be able to make a soft, drawing and then see a more line, because now you really have to put too much of the pressure on that thing. Anyway, that's my remarks on the Remarkable at the moment. Maybe I'll put another video, and that's it.